Welcome to Autism Mathematics. In this video, we are to find the real solution of k if 64 to the power k is equal to 4 raised to the power k plus 16 to the power k. Now this is a problem in indices. Now let's look at the base. Here the base is 64, here is 4, and then 16. Now looking at the parameters, you realize that you can express 16 in terms of the least base, which is 4, and then 64 too, you can express it in terms of 4. So let's do that. This implies that 64 can be written as 4 raised to the power 3 or raised to the power k is equal to 4 to the power k plus 16 can be written as 2 to the power 4 to the power 2 all raised to the power k. Now from indices, when an exponent is raised to a certain power, you can rewrite it as this is 4 to the power 3k. You multiply. That is from a raised to the power m or raised to the power n. You multiply the exponent mn. So this is equal to 4 raised to the power k plus 4 to the power 2 times k is 2k. Once again, we can rewrite it in this way. This is the same as 4 to the power k all raised to the power 3, which is equal to 4 to the power k plus this, we can write it as 4 to the power k all raised to the power 2. So next, we want to make some substitution. Let x be equal to 4 raised to the power k. So we are going to have x cubed is equal to x plus x squared. Let's move the right hand side, the terms on the right hand side to the left hand side. So we are going to have x cubed minus x squared minus x is equal to 0. So we want to solve. This is a polynomial function. So we have x here, x there. Each term we have x. So we can bring one x out, the common factor. So x out. So we have x squared minus x minus 1 is equal to 0. If you have something like this, it means that x is equal to 0 or x squared minus x minus 1 is equal to 0. So we are going to solve this one. Now, looking at this quadratic equation, see, it's very difficult to get the factors. So we can use quadratic formula. Now, if you have x squared minus x minus 1 is equal to 0, using quadratic formula, x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2h. So x squared minus x minus 1 is equal to 0. Comparing with standard quadratic equation, our a, which is the coefficient of x squared, is equal to 1, and then b, coefficient of the middle term, plus x, is minus 1. We then substitute them in the quadratic formula. So x will be equal to minus 1 plus or minus square root of minus 1 all squared minus 4 times 1 times minus 1. That's our c, divided by 2 times 1. So x will be equal to, that is 1 as minus plus or minus square root of minus 1 squared is 1, minus 4 times minus 1, that's positive 4 over 2. So x is equal to 1 plus or minus 1 plus 4 is 5, so square root of 5 over 2. So x is equal to 1 plus root 5 on 2, or 1 minus root 5 on 2. We were asked to find k, not x. So first of all, x is equal to 0. Now for this, there is no solution. But we said that x should be equal to 4 to the power k. So when x is equal to 0, there is no solution for this. No solution. We are looking for real solution of k. And then for x is equal to 1 minus root 5 over 2. Now this is less than 0. And when this is less than 0, then this one too, no solution. It's going to give us negative. No solution. Now for x is equal to 1 plus root 5 on 2. So it implies that 4 to the power k is equal to 1 plus root 5 over 2. Now this, you cannot express the right hand side in terms of the left hand side. So we will use log. So we take log on both sides to the base 10. So which implies that log 4 is equal to log of 1 plus root 5 on 2. So if you want to find k, log of 4 go to log 1 plus root 5 on 2. So our k is equal to log 1 plus root 5 on 2, all divided by log 4. You can leave your answer this way, but if you want to convert it to decimal, then k will be 0.1358. Yes, that's the real solution of k. Viewers, thank you very much for watching this video. If you still have not subscribed, kindly click on the subscribe button, turn on your notification button, and give your comment, then you like the video.